if I give you an equation, you have to give me the center and the radius. So if you get, here's what you got to give. If you get an equation, I need the center and I need the radius. If you get a center and a radius, I need an equation. So these are the two conditions. Alright, first one's x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 16. I'll give you about 10 seconds to look this over. Alright. On the count of 3, tell me the x-coordinate of the center. 1, 2, 3. No, not x. It's a number. I'll give you a hint. It's a number. 1, 2, 3. It's not 2. It's 1. The x-coordinate is going to be, you take a look at this number, it's x minus 1. We're going to take the opposite of what number we see. So if we see the number, if we see x minus 1, we're going to use 1. Now, what's the y-coordinate? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. Alright, now the radius. The nice thing about this is the x-coordinate comes first, the y-coordinate comes second, the radius is the number that's all by itself. On the count of 3, tell me what the radius is. 1, 2, 3. It's not 16. It's not 2. It's 4. This guy, 16, all right, calm down, is your radius squared. So the radius is going to be the square root of 16. So what's the square root of 16? 4. So this guy, we need the opposite to go there. This guy, we need the opposite to go there. This guy, we need to take a square root. Let me write the next equation. Don't be yelling out nothing. Take about 10 seconds to take a look at this. Your goal, ladies and gentlemen, we always need a goal. Our goal is to be able to look at an equation of a circle and within 5 to 10 seconds know where the center is and how long the radius is. Just by looking at the equation. Alright, now on the count of 3, tell me and remember it goes 1, 2, 3 and then you say it. On the count of 3, you're going to tell me the x-coordinate of the center. Question or an answer? Answer? Alright, just make sure it's loud and proud. Alright. X-coordinate. I need something from this guy right here. 1, 2, 3. this guy right here? 1, 2, 3. -4. All right. Now the radius. Ah! On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 7. And that's equal to the square root of 49. All right. I need you to write the equation of the circle. Your goal, ultimately, once you get really good at this, is to be able to write the equation of a circle, again, 5 to 10 seconds after getting this information. That's what you want to be able to do. Now, I'll give you the framework. Give you about 10 more seconds, because I want you guys to be able to do this quick. And I know this is your first time doing it, so it's not that big a deal right now. However, eventually you're going to be responsible for being able to do this very quickly. Alright, so your center's at 4, 2, your radius is 3. On the count of 3, you're going to tell me what goes in the first blank here. 1, 2, 3. X minus 4. We just take this guy right here, and it's going to be x minus whatever that number is. On the count of 3, the second blank, the second parentheses. 1, 2, 3. Y minus 2, because the second one's going to be a y just like it is up here. We're going to use that guy right here. Now, the radius is always going to be on the other side of the equal sign. Our radius is 3, so on the count of 3, what number goes over here? Ah! 1, 2, 3. 9. And remember, it's 3 squared. That's where we get our number from. We'll be doing a lot more of this because, like I said, I want you guys to be able to look at this and within 5 to 10 seconds be able to tell me all the information from these. The more you see, the more it's going to be better for you.